Hello everyone, welcome to the short stories. The topic of today's story is Whose Hand Is It? Thanksgiving Day was nearby. The first grade teacher gave her class a fun assignment to draw a picture of something for which they were thankful. Douglas was the teacher's true child of misery, frail and unhappy. As other children played at recess, Douglas was likely to stand close by her side. One could only guess at the pain Douglas felt behind those sad eyes. When asked to draw a picture of something for which he was thankful, he drew a hand. Nothing else, just an empty hand. His abstract image captured the imagination of his peers. Whose hand it could be? One child guessed it was the hand of a farmer because farmers raise crops. Another suggested a police officer because the police protects and care for people. Still others guessed it was the hand of God, for God feeds us. And so the discussion went on until the teacher almost forgot the young artist himself. When the children had gone on to the other assignments, she paused at Douglas' desk, bent down, and asked him whose hand it was. The little boy looked away and murmured, "It's yours, teacher." She recalled the times she had taken his hand and walked with him here or there, as she had the other students. How often had she said, "Take my hand, Douglas, we will go outside," or "Let me show you how to hold your pencil," or "Let's do this together." Douglas was most thankful for his teacher's hand. Brushing aside a tear, she went on with her work. The story speaks of more than thankfulness. It says something about teachers teaching and parents parenting and friends showing friendship and how much it means to the Douglases of the world. They might not always say thank you, but they will remember the hand that reaches out. That's all for the today's story. Hope you will enjoy listening to these kind of stories. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless you all.